before that, I hadn't done D flip-flop. I was under that time, so
Okay. But right now there is no issue.
right now nothing, ma'am. I
Okay.
asked my teammates also. I took the help.
Fine. So this left hand side output for which you have shown here?
Ma'am, from uh, VI to
Yes.
clock, and then A1, A2, A3, A4. The
Okay. Fine. Very good. Great. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So accordingly, you can make a report for task 5. Okay. Thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Gargi, you can show the output if you want.
Yes, ma'am.
I think your group number you said earlier, group number 6 you said, or 4?
5.
5. Okay.
Ma'am.
This is out. Can you show me the circuit diagram? Yeah, the same one, huh?
I think so.
Okay, it's fine. Fine, Gargi.
Thank you.
Your group mates, I'll speak their name. Aditya Kumar is there. Aditya Kartika.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Rupadarshi Ray. Tisha. Then Gargi.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Then Modi.
Yes, ma'am, present, ma'am.
Then Modi. So almost everyone is there. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like
Yes.
from our group only, like Gargi did for 4 and I have done for 3. So can I present?
Yeah, if you want to show, because right now no other one is interested. Definitely you can show. There is no issue.
Yeah, so I just present for 3.
Just a minute. Modi is asking permission. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen visible now?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So this is the diagram for 3. And
Okay.
this is circuit diagram. This is the output diagram and the output for it.
Any problem you faced while implementing this?
No, ma'am. Nothing.
It's fine, huh? Okay, fine. Thank you. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
See, I'm noting down your name and attendance as well. So if you have done, if you want to leave, you have any other work, then you can leave. If you want to stay here, it's totally your choice. Those who have already shown, I'm not restricting you to stay here. Okay?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, can you make me as a presenter? I have raised my hand.
Preeti?
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Preeti, what is your group number?
10, ma'am.
Let me check the name. Abhinay is there?
Ma'am, I'm present.
Okay, Tushar Singh. Whether Tushar Singh is there? Preeti already there. Ananya?
You can call him early. Where are you, by the way?
Ananya, Lakshmi.
अच्छा नहीं, I'm saying कि आप उन्हें जल्दी बुला लो.
Mohammed Anas.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, actually I'm from group 9. So I wanted to ask, like people who have not shown from our group, they will have to present today, right? Because this is the last lab.
No, not like that. Actually, see, I'm not here to check whether you are doing it or not. See, you are you are engineering student. So if you are learning, this will be good for you. Marks will be given based on your uploaded document. Okay. So if you are showing, that means you are learning. If your group is representing, means I assume everyone is representing, and most of you have already shown actually. If one member not shown me, it doesn't mean like they will lose marks. It's not like that, because in all all the members in a particular group will get same score. Condition, if they have used same report to upload, your report should not vary. Every member should have same report. Okay, got it? Because we have less time also, so it's not like that. Don't think like that. If you have done something, if you want to show, you're most welcome, but I'm not
Ma'am?
restricting you. Okay,
Ma'am?
yes. Who is-
Ma'am, actually, Lakshmi is present from group 10. Like her microphone is not working, so she put it in the chat box, ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshmi is there, and Anas, Muhammad Anas is there, 350. Not responding. Ananya Thakre,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, Tushar is there. Tushar Singh. Not responding, Tushar. Just a minute, huh? So those who are not responding, I'll put. So Abhina is there, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So only Tushar is not there. Muhammad Anas, are you there? Can you hear me? No, not responding. Okay, Preeti, you can share. I think you already shared. Preeti?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share. Can you see, ma'am?
Not yet. Wait. Yes, yes. Okay, 3 you have taken. Just a moment. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Can you tell me? Okay, this is for clock and the next one is for reset. Okay. V1, V2, V3. I think this is 3 input you have given.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right? Yes, yes. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. It seems correct only. Any problem you faced?
No.
No issue.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Who is coming next? So those who have shown, if they want, they may leave. Their group mates also. Those who have not joined yet. Tushar Singh joined? Not got. Then Muhammad Anas also not joined, 350. Okay, fine. Who is coming next? Many people joined already. Okay, those who have done, they can ask me for the permission. Keep doing. If anyone want to show, they can raise their hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I did the circuit, ma'am, but in graph it's showing some error, ma'am, like a straight line.
You just check. Circuit you implemented?
Yes, ma'am.
You can show your circuit. Let me see. Your group number?
Four, ma'am.
Just a minute. Everyone is there from your team. Shlok is there. Shlok Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurav. Gaurav is there. Anusha, I think, called. Then Anshdeep. Anshadeep. Gaurav is not there. Anshadeep is not there. Okay. Mayank is there. Mayank? No. Shivam? Shivam Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Gaurav is not there. Anshdeep is not there. Mayank is not there. Okay, you can show. I already made you presenter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you just check what mistake you have done. Clock input you have given, 3 input you have given. You are not taking that reset option.
No, ma'am.
Earlier, which one you have taken?
With reset option, ma'am.
D flip-flop with reset option, I think you have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
But this time you are taking something different.
Yes, ma'am. Because in the diagram it's there without reset, so I did like this.
That's okay. You just try with that. Maybe you will get.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you try with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anshdeep, you came. Anshdeep, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, earlier also I was calling your name. Mayank is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think you joined now. And Gaurav is there? Gaurav is there? No, he's not there. Okay. Others also, those who have done, please share your screen.
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yeah, please raise your hand.
Yes.
Alina, what is your group number?
Team 2, ma'am.
Group number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment, let me check. Bhavna is there? Bhavna Jain?
Yes, ma'am.
Matthew Babu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyan? Shreyan is there? Disha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Alina, you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yes, I can see. Yeah, fine, fine. It's giving you output also?
Yes, ma'am. This is the output I'm getting.
Yes, fine. So that respective value you can cross check, but looks like correct only. Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Muhammad Anas, you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your group mate already shown. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So can I leave?
Yeah, it's up to you. You want to show? If I've done something, you can show. Or else you may leave also.
Okay.
Other group which has not shown till now. This is group number 3, not shown. Group number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11. Group number 3, group number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11. Nobody is shown from this group.
Ma'am, group number 6 currently doing.
Yeah. Complete, after that you can show. Shreyan, what is your group number?
Ma'am, group number 2.
Group number 2 already shown. Shreyan. Okay.
I came just now. Network error.
Yes, yes. You can show.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritvik, what is your group number?
I'm 3.
Group number 3. So all are there. I'll call the name. Nikhil is there. Nikhil Matthew.
Yes, ma'am.
Tisha is there. Shubh Mitter.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Ritvik asked me for permission. Then Partvati.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, Akansha.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Okay, so all are there. Okay, you can share.
Ma'am, this is the register one.
Yes. Fine, 4-bit. Yes, correct.
Right.
Yeah. Next, Shreyan, you were also asking me to show.
Yes, ma'am. A little bit I have to do. There's some error in the simulation.
Okay, fine. Rajesh, what is your group number? I made you presenter.
Ma'am, group number 8.
Yes. So all are present. Devang is there. Devang.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kunal.
Ma'am, our group is just ready, ma'am. Just give us 5 minutes more.
No, that Rajesh asked me for permission. That's why I'm calling your name.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rajesh Vijay is there. Sorry, Kunal. Kunal is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Jay. Rishabh Acharya?
Present, ma'am. I'm here.
Vaibhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh?
Present, ma'am.
Yash. Sorry, Yash is from other group, I think. Okay.
Ma'am, shall I share the screen?
Yes, yes. Rajesh, screen is not visible yet.
Yes, ma'am. There is some lag. Ma'am, is it visible now?
No. You share once again.
Yeah.
Stop sharing and do it again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear my screen?
Is it
Yes,
visible?
it is visible. Yeah, this is same person, Rajesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yeah. You're also getting 4-bit. Yes, fine. Circuit seems correct only. Can I go to the circuit diagram again?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you have also not taken with reset option, huh? If I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
ma'am.
Yeah, but giving you the output, one person was having problem. I think that was Alina or someone else. Yeah, I have to check that one. I have not done. Yes, fine. This is correct only. Fine. Thank you. Disha Datta, your group number, Disha?
11.
Yes. And Shlok Agrawal, your group number?
Group number 4.
Okay. For Disha, your group will give. After that, Shlok, you can give.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 11, Disha is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Joshi is there. Abel Joshi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Vishnu, Megha.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Shreyesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, Disha is going to present. Fine.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Just a moment, Disha. Yes, it is visible. Fine. Yes, correct. Fine. Thank you. Okay, next group number 4. Okay, wait. Let me. Group number 4 already shown, I think so.
Ma'am, there was a mistake, right, in that?
Yes. So Shlok is showing now.
আমাদের
Okay,
একটা
fine.
গ্রুপ থেকে একজনকে প্রেজেন্ট করতে হয় না, সেই জন্য আমি আমার গ্রুপ থেকে প্রেজেন্ট করলাম।
Okay.
তখন হয়ে গেল, এবার
Show.
অন্য রিপ্রেজেন্টেটিভ প্রেজেন্ট করব।
You can show.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The teams who presented can leave.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. If anyone from their willingness wanted to show, they can, or else you may leave. Yes,
Is it visible?
seems correct. Yes, it is visible. Everything looks fine. Output also you can show.
Yes, ma'am. Here's the output.
Yes, correct. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine.
Now you have marked the attendance, right?
Yes, already given attendance.
Yeah, thank you.
Teams who have not presented is team number 6, 7, and 9. Others, if they want, they may leave.
Ma'am,
Yes.
My team presented. Can I leave?
Who is asking? This is Tushar.
Tushar. Yes. Yes.
When you joined Tushar, what is your lab timing?
I joined about 5 minutes late.
Not 5 minutes late. Just now you joined.
No.
Okay, you can leave, no problem.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I show? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I present my screen?
Who is asking? This
Ma'am,
is
it's
Shreyan.
Shreyan. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay. Yes, Shreyan, fine. Okay, fine. So rest of the group number 6, 7, and 9. Group number 6, 7, and 9. Aishwarya, you want to present?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your group number?
7.
Okay, let me call the name first for all the students. Okay, Sudhir is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Naman?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Jitendra?
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya is there. And Jitesh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shritam? Shritam is there? Wait. Shritam is not there? Let me check. No, he's not there. It's okay. Yeah. So Aishwarya is presenting, I think so. Yes, Aishwarya, you can present.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, it is visible. Why? Meanwhile, it is looking something. Triangle is there. Why?
Yeah. I'll have to check, I think.
Check your circuit diagram again. Maybe meanwhile some problem, some mistakes you might have done. You can do cross check. Later also you can rectify. That's okay.
Okay.
Means just a nominal issue is there. And if you are not able to get it, you implement once again with the same step, you will find your problem where you have done mistake. Okay?
Yeah.
Because circuit looks correct only. Just check it once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next who is coming? Aishwarya shown already. Shlok is already shown. Yeah. So group number 6 and 9. 2 groups not shown.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is Girish from Group 9. I'm ready with the circuit, but I'm working on the output.
Okay, take your time. No problem. You complete first.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
This is Girish from Group 9. I'm ready.
Yeah, you're ready? Hello, Girish.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Now you're audible. Yeah, I made you presenter. If you have done, you can show.
Okay.
Let me check. Yash is there. Yash.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratham.
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita.
Present, ma'am.
Then Pratyaksh Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. You can share your screen.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Wait. Yes, it is visible. Yeah, it is visible. Fine, thank you. Correct only.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only one group left. Please do it fast. Group number 6, what is your condition? What is the status? Group number 6.
Ma'am, we are almost done.
Yeah, who is going to show? Those who are willing, a person who is showing, I'll make you presenter. Let me check all are present or not. Gayatri is there?
Ma'am,
Gayatri is there?
hello, ma'am. Did you call my name?
I'm asking because I need to check with how many members are there from group number 6. So I'm calling name first. Gayatri is there? Gayatri is present or not? No, she's not there. Okay. Lakshmi Narayan is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Pragati is there? Pragatishwari?
Yes, ma'am.
Amal?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Karthik and Saurav Kumar?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Except Gayatri or others are there. Okay, so person who want to show, I'll make you presenter.
Ma'am, someone is removing us from the.
Ma'am, can you make me presenter, ma'am?
Lakshmi Narayan is asking.
No, ma'am. Karthik is asking.
Karthik is asking. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, Karthik, I already made you presenter. Yes, Karthik, I saw output.
Ma'am, someone keeps removing people of my group. I'm not sure who.
No, I have not done that. I don't know.
No, ma'am,
Karthik
I don't
shown
think it's you. I
output.
think it's
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
else.
Me out, ma'am.
I don't know who is doing. But other
Yes,
can do
ma'am.
this. Other cannot do this.
Yes, ma'am, they can.
No, ma'am, whoever is like presenter, I think they have like they can also kick up.
Yes,
Maybe. I don't know. Let it be. See, Karthik, I think Karthik is showing now. Can you show me out that circuit diagram only? Yeah. Increase size little bit. Yes, fine. Yes, this is correct. Karthik, this is fine.
Ma'am, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Now I have done with using reset, ma'am, but again for one of the outputs, it's showing a straight line, ma'am.
No problem. You check it later. There is no issue because all groups have already presented, so it won't affect your marks. You just check from your end. Still, if you are facing any trouble, you discuss with your group mates because they have already shown the correct one. Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
No issue. So all of you have already shown. Thank you so much. So see you.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm of group 7, ma'am. Sritam Mishra. Have you marked me present or absent, ma'am?
Sritam.
Yes, ma'am. Because, ma'am, I was disconnected for a while because there was a power cut, so the internet connection got
Multiple
cut.
times I called your name, but now
No, ma'am, yes, ma'am, I was disconnected for almost 10 minutes, I guess.
Okay, it's
You
fine.
can check, ma'am. I was present earlier.
See, one class attendance, if I give you, it will not disturb me. That's okay. If you have informed me, definitely I'll consider you. Or just I'm telling you, multiple times I called your name. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.